is lit. I love it. It's so straight. Oh, I didn't do my intro. Hey guys, so today I am going to be playing with my new slime. It's so crunchy. I'm going to give you a little moment to hear this. So I'll carry this all the way over here. Okay. I know, I should know, 8 years old. I had to hold this whole cake. So I'm with the camera stand, and you all see that I have moved to a different place. Well, like, not a different house. Well, I did move in June. I did move this year. I'll give you a moment to see my crunchy slime and hear it. So okay. Why is it over there? The lighting. I should probably do it in another place. Like over here. This is one of the best places to do it. Find her. She's just a cutie pie. Hello. Okay, I'm talking British again. Okay, so my real voice. Okay. My lighting is. I hope you can't hear other stuff here. Satisfying. Love it. My videos, I'm not keeping them too long now. Like my other video that I just made yesterday, that was only like 3 minutes. Maybe people think do it so long, but I'm not doing this. Sorry for moving the camera so much. It's not a camera, it's a phone. So, it's not pokey. You can't really hear it. Is so fun. Well, my lighting was a lamp. Well, it's like I put nerds in candy and slime. TJ Maxx, fun. Bum 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 Now I am showing you something cool. You know what that stands for? SLM slime is about 8 years old. That's my brother. Isaiah. It's Dab Isaiah 10. So we got some personalities. You see that, girl? You see that? I keep on zooming in. Like, you see that? See those. So, okay, I don't know how to zoom that in. Well, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you and peace. Oh my gosh.